In line with the packaging industry's growing emphasis on cleanliness, efficiency, and automation, we have developed ARN spindle packaging in for our textile industry clients. This intelligent end-to-end system encompasses the automatic wrap and sealing of individual yarn spindle products, as well as the automated processes of carton opening, bag inserter packing, and bag sealing. First, the products enter the individual automatic wrapping machine via a conveyor line. The system uses high-speed film bag feeding, precise positioning, and automatic sealing technology to individually wrap each product, ensuring cleanliness, standardization, and uniformity. The equipment is equipped with a user-friendly touchscreen interface that allows for quick parameter switching, adjustment of film bag size, and temperature sealing, providing powerful flexibility for multi-category and multi-batch production. After being wrapped, the products enter the next stage, the full box packaging system. The system automatically completes the entire process, including carton forming, bag insertion, product loading, vacuum sealing, heat sealing, and box sealing, truly achieving the goals of full process cleanliness, no contamination, and high efficiency. The entire line is equipped with an intelligent control interface, allowing for one-click parameter adjustment. The system supports expansion modules such as automatic scanning, weighing, coding, automatic labeling, palletizing, and conveying into storage. Additionally, this line is widely applicable to industries with high requirements for cleanliness, efficiency, and sealing, such as plastic products, medical supplies, food processing, electronic components, and industrial chemicals. Mittiway has years of experience in non-standard automated production lines and can tailor a variety of clean automatic packaging solutions to help your company reach new heights in smart manufacturing.